Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to connect Apify to your cloud. So all you need to do is click here on the bottom left corner to your icon, then click on settings. After that you will find connectors here, click on it, and then click to customize here. Then in the search bar search for Apify, then you will find this one which is browse connectors, click on it. Then from here search again for Apify. Then click on the plus button here. Then they will ask you to download the Claude for desktop to use this extension. So if you already have it, open your desktop extension. If not, download it. So I will download it too. Then open the extension here and they will start to install. After the installation, the app will ask you to connect again. So I will connect to my account. So here we go. We have the app here. We just redo the same steps again. So we go connectors, customize, then search for Apify, then browse connectors, then search for Apify again. Then here we click the plus, then we click install, then install again. And after that, your Apify is already downloaded. All you need to do is to log in into your account. Then they will ask you to put the API key here. You just copy it from Apify account and there you go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.